Welcome to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. What do I do here? Well, that's my wife's 2008 NC Miata 6-speed manual transmission. I maintain it, change fluids, repair it, whatever it needs, wash it, wax it, clay bar it, detail it. Same thing with my 2005 C6 Corvette. It's also a 6-speed manual, but I do some road track events with it, HPD kind of things, open track days. And then insert a picture here, I've got a 2004 Lexus LX 470 that I mess around with. I do most of the maintenance myself. There's a couple odds and ends, things I don't do, alignments and things like that, which I may, dip my toe into, but sometimes it's just easier to pay a professional to do some things like mount tires and do alignments. But I do pretty much everything else here. I do how-to videos. I try to have some fun and throw up a couple of other videos here and there. I'll even do a review video of cars, tools, lighting, that kind of thing. So that's what you can expect to see here. I've been doing this YouTube thing almost a year now, so I'm having a lot of fun doing it, and I've got some new subscribers, and I appreciate all of you. Thanks for liking and subscribing and commenting on the vids. I appreciate it. Hopefully I can keep entertaining you and help you having some fun. Like I said, the garage is all about fun. You learn some stuff, you make some mistakes, hopefully not repeat the same mistakes, but you have a good time doing it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.